Hello, in this tutorial, we will interfacing HC-05 Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno and Arduino Mega. HC-05 Bluetooth module's working voltage is 3.3 volt, but usually, the Bluetooth has voltage regulator from 5 to 3.3 volt. Even though it is, you will need to use 3.3 volt to the RX pin on the Bluetooth module because the voltage regulator only used for the power pin of the Bluetooth module. I use shift level register on RX and TX pin. Actually, you can only shift the RX pin of the Bluetooth module because the 3.3 volt of TX pin of the Bluetooth module will be interpreted by Arduino as high signal. On the smartphone side, I use Android smartphone to communicate with Arduino via Bluetooth. I choose Serial Bluetooth Terminal app. You can download it in Play Store. Here is the program code. I use software Serial to communicate with Bluetooth module. You can download it in the link at the description below. Open the Serial Bluetooth Terminal app. Go to Devices, click this, and go to Devices. Choose HC-05. After smartphone connected to Bluetooth module, the red light on the module stops blinking. Type character you want and touch send button. Touch this. The character will display on the serial monitor. Try again. Type character. I type Mtronics. And send it, and the character will be displayed on the serial monitor. Now I'll try to send character from Arduino to smartphone. Type character you want in the serial monitor. Click send button or press enter on your keyboard to send the character to Arduino. The character you type will be forwarded to Bluetooth module via software serial and displayed in the app with green color text. Now, for Arduino Mega, I use hardware serial 1 to communicate with Bluetooth module as you can see in the schematic. Program code is almost similar as before, but BT serial directive preprocessor is for serial 1 as you can see in your screen. After program uploaded to Arduino Mega, open serial terminal Bluetooth on the smartphone. Open the program, open the apps, choose the Bluetooth device same as before. Choose HC-05. After Bluetooth connected, type character you want and send it. I type character TES1 and send it, but there is an error. The character will be displayed on serial monitor. As you can see in the screen, there is an error at first transmission. The text displayed on serial monitor is not same as the text sent by smartphone. But the second and third transmission are successful. So it's okay now. Now I type character on serial monitor and send it to smartphone. Same as before, character sent by serial monitor will be displayed on smartphone with green color text. Now, disconnect the Bluetooth will cause LED on the Bluetooth module start blinking. So, it was the tutorial how to interface HC-05 Bluetooth module with Arduino Uno and Arduino Mega. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.